We're going to jump in right now on how to create a sales page using ChatGPT. Now, earlier in the lessons, I went through and showed you how to create a book outline, a course outline, and a few other things. I recommend at the point that you've completed that outline, that you ask ChatGPT to create your sales page for you and give you the ideas and the outline of a sales page. And the reason why is you've already given the big picture, you've framed it, you've gone down this pathway, you've picked out a few key points, and you've got to the end with an outline of the product. So at that point, ChatGPT has everything it needs to know to create a really good sales page outline for you. However, if you are starting at ground zero and you haven't done the outline on ChatGPT, you haven't got to that point yet, you can actually just create a few simple paragraphs and go through this process. So let me show you what I'm going to do. As an example, I'm showing you, this is the course for ChatGPT AI, and I've typed out each of these lesson titles onto a Word document. And I'm going to ask ChatGPT to help me brainstorm a sales page idea. Essentially, let's kind of start with some ideas on what I should write in the sales page, and then you can refine it as we get into it a bit more. So I'm just going to copy paste this. Here we go. I need help to write content for a sales page to sell a low-ticket, short 1-hour course to help online entrepreneurs use ChatGPT to generate ideas and content for digital products to create passive income. The course includes 7 lessons with videos, written tutorials, PDF printables, and swipe files. And this is what the course outline is. Oh, shoot, I accidentally pressed go. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I meant to add in course outline there. Okay, and then it continues on. Please, can you give me some ideas of what I should write on my sales page? Certainly, I can help you create the content for your sales page. Here we are. The headline is Unlock the Power of ChatGPT for Passive Income Generation. Subheadline, Discover the Secrets to Effortlessly Create Digital Products, blah, blah, blah. And then it talks about what's included, the lessons, the summary, the benefits. Actually, that's pretty cool. Great, fantastic. Okay, so I'd like to please help me brainstorm a couple of key examples from this course, specifically around using ChatGPT to help entrepreneurs write their first book. See, isn't that great? So now it's giving me a little bit more. Now, when you have all this information here, you pick out what's relevant to you. If you haven't yet signed up for Thrivecart School, the free course that I offer, please sign up and go into that course, because there is actually a section there I talk about how to create a course and what you can do. And you'll be able to, and also how to write a book, you'll be able to use some of that information along with this to create your sales page. In that course, I have a checklist of what you need to include in that sales page, and then you can just simply go through it. So let's go here and just go brainstorm 5 catchy headlines for this short course. Okay, I think those headlines are a little bit too many words. Great work, but we want it to be more simple, shorter, easier words. Excellent. Isn't that nice? We've gone from AI alchemy to ChatGPT, blah, 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 into ChatGPT, your quick path to passive income. That is so much easier to consume and get in your head and just move on with it and decide whether or not you want to do it. So here we've come up with some great headlines. Okay, let's brainstorm sub-headlines for the sales page. Excellent. Okay. One of the things that you should be including on any sales page is a guarantee. So brainstorm ideas for a guarantee for the satisfaction guarantee money back within 14 days. And here you go. You got some great words again. So you can pretty much cover anything here that you want to do with regards to creating a sales page. You literally just go in, set the scene for the big picture, what it is that you're going to be selling, talk about the topic, get ChatGPT on the same page, and then ask it to help you build out the sales page. I'm going to copy paste into this lesson for you the checklist of things that you need to include in your sales page, and you might like to ask those questions while you're using your ChatGPT. I hope you found this really helpful, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.